Hallo, ich habe meine Geschwister und ich werde ihnen Deutsch beibringen.
Wow.
I'm teaching you German. Zwerstwasser. Carson, get off the phone with your girlfriend. I need to teach you German. No, Mom's yelling.
I know.
Oh my gosh. Do you need to do that right now?
Yes.
Dad just come out of this.
Keep talking.
Yeah.
What I say?
Willkommen.
Welcome zu the YouTube video.
Me? Wir Wir geben Ihnen eine Tour. Dankeschön.
This is our window. This is what it looks like in the dark. See cars. This is my brother. This is what it looks like in the dark. JK, in the nighttime. This is me and my brother. And the TV. This is my brother's clothes. And his other clothes.
I'm going to my clothes.
This are some shoes. And some more shoes that are Callie's. And these are Carson's. And this is my book and Callie's hat. And Callie's cards and her deodorant. And her phone. And her stuffed animal, and my pajamas, and our bed. And this is the closet.
Here's the clothes. And for our housing, we actually only have 5 outfits. Because we don't really need more. We're like Scooby-Doo, except for with 5 instead of 1. So we only have 5 outfits for our whole rest of our lives here. And I have swimsuits up here. Okay, let's go closer, everybody. Shoes, we only have 2 pairs of shoes because we don't need them. And a bra just fell on my shoulder. And these are where socks go. This is where my sister goes.
Weird.
Get in there.
Wait, but I need my shorts. Hey. Okay.
Okay, here you go.
You're not doing this very nicely. Oh my god. You're really bad at this.
I was putting it through the crack.
Ow.
Sorry. It's in the closet. You gonna come out of the closet?
I'm putting my shorts on.
What are you putting your shorts on at night?
I'm putting them away.
Oh.
On. Oh. That's where I'm at.
You're just sitting there videotaping me shirtless.
What?
You're just sitting there.
Well, maybe you should have a shirt on
Easy,
off
go to bed.
during my video tour. This is the bathroom. What?
You put all the covers on this side.
I didn't. They were already like that. This is the bathroom. Here's our fancy tissues, a toothbrush, hairspray. No, not yet. This is my drawer of stuff. This is Callie's drawer of stuff. And I guess Carson doesn't have a drawer of stuff. And this is the shower and the toilet. Now, Everyone's getting mad at me, so I have to go to bed. I'm ready for bed. Okay, this is the tour like 8 days later. This is our house. This is what it looks like. This is our golf course. And there's also Tess over there. Right now we're delivering some Dr. Pepper and Pepsi. This is a land. I don't really know what this land is for. And here's the grill. We were gonna make grilled cheese on it, but we made it in a pan instead because we didn't have time. There's a park, and here's the pool. It's a windy day today, so no one's in it. Okay, there's the pool. This is our balcony. See the pool from there. This is our living room. My family's standing around them. This is the kitchen. And we don't eat food in this family. We only have cereal. So yeah, and I think we have toaster strudels too. Oh, we do have some food, I guess. I didn't finish my video from the first day we were here. This is the kitchen table. Thanks for coming to my tour. This is the view from our house. Front door. Anyway, yeah, we don't really believe in food in our family, so we don't eat anything except cereal and toaster strudels. Anyway, that video was a joke. We're not actually moving to Florida. We're leaving right now.